So once you've checked the fabric to make sure it's centered inside the housing by measuring from the end cap to the fabric, the next step is to get it rolled up. To do that, you're going to want to power it up. Your package, your accessory packet, should come with one of these cord caps. And they screw together, so you're going to unscrew that, take your cord end, and I'm only temping this on. Normally in the end you want to cut these wires short, but for now I just want to put power to it. So I'm going to put the cord cap on, and then you're going to screw these wires in. There's a green screw, a silver screw, and a gold screw. You're going to put the green wire to the green screw, tighten that up. You're going to put the black wire to the gold screw, tighten that one up. You can do the white wire to the silver screw. Once you get those three tightened up, you're going to take your cover there and re-screw this cord cap back together. There you go. And you have power. Then you got to get an extension cord and plug it in and program it. Okay, once you put power to your screen, you're going to pull out your packet, that accessories packet that was in your box, and pull out your install instructions and your remote. And there's a care and maintenance guide along with some basic install instructions and some programming instructions. So you can use those if you're not familiar with how to program the screen. But your remote comes with batteries, so you don't have to do anything there, and ready to go. First thing you do once you get the power to it is you're going to hold the up and down button at the same time to wake up the motor. Should jog like this. You're going to check direction. In our case, with the left-hand motor, it's going to be backwards. So when I push down, it's going to go up. And when I push up, it's going to go down. We don't want that. We want it to be logical, have the up be up, down go down. So we're going to change the direction by holding the buy button until it jogs. And now up is up and down is down. So now we're going to program limits. So you're going to get it down to where you want that bottom limit to be. Right about there. You're going to hold the my and up at the same time. It's going to start running up. And once it gets near the top, we're going to stop it and toggle it up to where we want our upper limit to be. These don't have to be precise because you can adjust the limits later. I usually just get it close. Once we get it where we want it, we're going to push my and down at the same time. You set the upper limit. Then from there you can stop it anywhere with the my button. Then you have to finalize the programming by holding the my button down. And then you're going to take a pen or a screw, and on the back there's a little button. You're going to push that to finalize the programming, and it's going to jog, and it's all programmed. So then you can roll it up. It's going to stop on its own without me having to push anything. Limits are set.